Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be planning in my Big Happy Planner, the Happy Memory Keeping Planner. So I wanted to do a spread. It was kind of spring and summer. I love these bright colors. This is a Doodlebug Designs by Cynthia Sandoval. They are some stickers that I picked up at Tuesday morning last year, and it came with a whole different pack of different colorways, different themed stickers. This one kind of reminds me of Mother's Day, and since Mother's Day just happened over on Sunday, I just thought it would be great to do a spread using this. It has some beautiful pinks and oranges in there. So I found a couple washi tapes to include that go well with it, as well as my Mambi sticker sheets here. I'll pull things from that. So why don't we get this cleared off. Here's some final spread. I think that it turned out really pretty. It was just a simple layout with stickers and washi tape, so if you don't have a lot of time, these are always a great way to go as far as doing layouts for your planner. I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe. I hope you had a happy Mother's Day if you're a mother, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.